Hey y'all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So, today I want to share with you this Chinese Fringe tree. It's a very beautiful tree. I really like it. It's a small tree. I think it grows just about 10 feet. I've had this for 2 years. It's only been in the ground for about 6 months. The previous time I had it in a pot. So I just want to show you how it's looking like in the spring right now. It's one of the earliest bloomers in the spring in my zone, and just sharing with you how beautiful the blooms are looking like. So enjoy.